Hey everyone, it's Terry from Lithos and Lasers, and I was asked recently in one of the forums over at Glowforge World how I'm doing my monogram Christmas ornaments and how I'm attaching an ornament hanger to them. So I'm just going to show you how I do that real quick. So we're going to open up one of these ornaments. This is from Daryl from Spin Customs. Um, so this is his monogram ornament or monogram set, which I am making an ornament out of. So the first thing I do is I change this to 4 inches. So make sure your aspect lock is on. Let's go 4 inches and done. The next thing I do is I make the ornament hanger. So just make a circle, doesn't matter how big yet. And we're going to make that 0.5 inches. 0.5 by 0.5, and I just make it dark so I can see it. So let's zoom in over there. So now you can make another one, or you can just copy and paste that one. And that one is going to be 0.25 inches. What we're going to do, I'm going to change the color just to help you see it. Don't have to. All right. So I'm going to align both of those things together, and then the green one is on top. So I'm going to go to my Pathfinder, and I'm going to minus the front. There we go. So at this point, you might want to copy paste, take several of them, just to have handy, or just save the file out. So, all right. So here's our ornament. We're going to line it like that, so it's intersected halfway. I'm going to align it left and right. And then I'm going to select both of those things, and I'm going to merge them or unite them together. I have a little bit of a dip right there. You could have, if you want, you can either change the shape of your circle, just like that, or you can just bump it up, or however you want to do it, or you can just leave it like it was. All right, so there we go. Now, I don't know who Frank is, but he's getting an ornament. So he's getting an ornament design. I like to use this Clarendon BT Heavy. Also a minion variable concept, but this one I find is nice. It's heavy, it's got thick walls, and it engraves or cuts well. So there. At this point, you can either grab this and make your name shorter, or you can use this to get your letters closer together, or you can use a different font. Well, it's up to you. Looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to weld that as well. I'm not, because I always do that. Don't forget to type, create outlines on your text. There you go. So that should be about 4.25 inches tall. 4.25. And then you can go set that up. You're done. Now, I find that the 1/4 inch walnut I'm using, or any wood that's going to take multiple passes, these little guys in here can get kind of charred. They're a pretty small detail, and if the wood doesn't cut out of there well, I have to clean it up with a little file or fingernail or needle, little piece of wire, something to help get that stuff out. So if your wood is finicky, these little spots can give you a little bit of extra work. I usually mask it as well, and sometimes having to work in here twice can kind of melt that masking on here and also take out some extra cleanup. Anyway, that is how you add one of these. Let me go ahead and do a different letter, like an M, something, or H, something that's wider. And we're going to add 2. So, I'm going to go 3 inches, done. I'm going to go grab 2 of these. Paste. Zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. So it's a little bit harder to find the center. There's ways to do it exactly, but I'm going to eyeball it. This part is going to intersect for you well. You don't have to worry about anything. So here, you're just trying to get kind of in the middle of that shape there. I think I did pretty good already. So, welded. Sometimes if you're doing a name and your name is kind of short compared to your letters, you might want to space it out a little bit, like that. Maybe then try to have your this side here and this side here lining up well. Something like that. If you have the same color, sometimes it's hard to see how much overlap you got. So if you change the color right now, it'll help you see if you need to drag anything down. Maybe you want some of this little curvy detail as part of your design and you don't want to lose it. So you do something like that. Convert to outlines. Weld it. Does not matter what color it is right now. We'll go back to black. You can also change it to just outlines. Doesn't matter. When you go to the Glowforge, you're going to tell it it's a cut anyway. So this just helps you see it a little bit better. But that was a quick and easy one. I hope that helps you guys. So this is Terry at Lithos and Lasers. Lithosandlasers.com, facebook.com/lithosandlasers. And I'm also Lithos and Lasers on YouTube. Let you know that because you're watching. Take care.